To set up Afterpay for Business, start by visiting the Afterpay website and clicking on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide basic business information such as your business name, address, and tax identification number. Next, you will need to verify your business identity by providing documentation such as a business license or articles of incorporation. Once your business identity is verified, you will be asked to create an account and set up your payment terms. This includes choosing the percentage of the purchase price that you want to pay in fees to Afterpay. The standard fee is around 4 to 6% of the purchase price, but this can vary depending on the type of business you have and the volume of sales you generate. After you have set up your payment terms, you will need to integrate Afterpay into your online checkout system. This can be done by installing a plugin or module on your e-commerce platform, or by using an application programming interface to connect your website to Afterpay. Many popular e-commerce platforms such as Shopify and Magento have pre-built integrations with Afterpay, making it easy to get started. To complete the setup process, you will need to configure your Afterpay settings to work with your existing payment systems. This includes setting up payment plans, determining which products are eligible for Afterpay, and customizing the Afterpay payment option to fit your brand. You can also set up notifications to keep track of payments and customer interactions. Best practices for setting up Afterpay for Business include clearly disclosing the terms and conditions of the payment plan to your customers, and ensuring that you are complying with all relevant laws and regulations. You should also make sure that you have a clear understanding of the fees and charges associated with using Afterpay, and that you are prepared to handle any customer inquiries or complaints that may arise. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily set up Afterpay for Business and start offering your customers the option to pay for purchases in installments. This can help to increase sales and revenue, and provide a competitive edge in the market.